Hello guys, welcome to the vlog. And for those who don't know me, my name is Mart and gumagawa po ako ng motorcycle, bike, and everyday carry related contents. Okay, for today, we are going to replace the smoke lens to clear lens. Based po sa riding style ko, mas prefer ko po yung clear lens, and since may smoke lens na siya sa loob, so mas prefer ko talaga yung clear lens. Okay, kanya-kanyang discretion po yun, based lang naman po sa riding style and preference ko. Okay, so gagawin po natin. Okay, angat natin all the way up. Tapos dito sa side na to may parang lever, ipupush nyo siya, tapos angat nyo to ditong banda. Okay, just like that. Other side. Press and wrap. Okay, so replace natin yung clear lens. Ito po yung parang mechanism nya. Hanapin nyo lang po yung isang groove, magkabilaan po yan. Sa other side parang may groove. Itatapat nyo po doon sa parang mag-open kasi yung parang mechanism niya dito. Tapat nyo lang po yung groove. Okay, kabit po natin. And ito naman yung parang naka protrude. Itatapat nyo po sa mechanism ng visor. Okay. Okay. Ganun lang kabilis. Tapat sa mechanism, open, then push all the way down. And that's it. Thank you and ride safe. Bye bye.